Sly N Snide tour guide, Beach Lama. Follow the magic stick. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome you to the house that love built. Not to be confused with the house of love, that is something else. The reason I call it the house that love built is because of an interesting story. You see, back in the roaring 20s, if a dapper young chap wanted to marry a young lady, said chap needed to be in the good graces of this lady's father. And to achieve that, you needed two things: a well-paying job and a house, a dwelling, a pad. Dokter Eloy Arends was a doctor, so daddy was half happy his daughter was marrying a doctor. Legend has it that when the good doctor came back from a trip to Colombia, he decided to build a house in the prominent Baroque or Neo-Baroque, if you want to be super precise, style of architecture of those days. The project started in 1922. Mind you, we have a superstition that if the lucky lady sets sights on the house before it is finished, there will be bad luck on the marriage. What? Don't ask me how it was possible that this massive building project was developed without her noticing. Let's just say for the sake of the myth that she did not notice, and upon completion in 1925, they got married and lived happily ever after. With the passage of time, the house soon started to fall into disrepair and decay. At a certain point, the Council of Ambulatory Addicts decided to have their meetings in the house. The meetings got so hot and heated, half of the house burnt down. It was at that exact moment someone then decided enough is enough, and with the help of the Monument Foundation and the government at that time, they renovated the house and made it into Aruba's City Hall, where everybody gets legally married. Yay! Cue the fanfare, applause, and pyrotechnics. Right behind the City Hall, there's the census office where you can arrange a date with the notary and sign your life away. I mean, get legally married. Traditionally, one would sign the nuptials here, then venture to a later location for their choice of ceremony. Just so you know, Aruba is a secular society. We separate church from state, meaning you can have any kind of ceremony you want for your wedding, church, marriage, beach, skydiving, it's all good. But to be recognized by the government, you need to get married in City Hall. Guys, that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Links to our previous episodes, social media platforms, and website are in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to G-Spotty YouTube and click that notification bell for more Sly N Snide content. As always, once a guest, always a friend. This is your Sly N Snide tour guide, Beach Lama. Follow the magic